This is the VCELINK 45-piece precision screwdriver set in pink. This thing is such a cute little screwdriver set. In my brain, I go, this would be perfect if you're building like minifigures or you've just got a really small device that you need to open the back of, that kind of thing. And this is the perfect set. It's got a ton of different heads on it. And I love that these like slip back when you close it. So a little pop open there. You can see all the different types. So you've got like your Allen key, you've got your Phillips head, you've got your regular screwdriver size, which is great. And then this is the actual screwdriver device. So let's put in like a flat head here. Just simply magnetizes in, which is awesome. Nice to hold as well, almost like a pencil basically. This thing is cool. Yeah, so you can screw that in. And I love how each one has a little place. You've got a Allen key here as well. This is a longer one, and you can also put the heads in the end of that, which is great. So you can use that. Love that. This is a standard size Allen key. And then it also comes with these tweezers, which is why it makes me think of like, if I'm going to build like minifigures or that kind of thing. And you can use these really nice sharp tweezers to help grab things. And it comes with little covers over the top there. And these just sit in really nicely. Nice and easy, organized set. Honestly, this thing is stunning. I just love that everything is like neatly organized. And then we just simply pop the lid down. It's got a lid. This is gonna keep it nice and protected away from the dust. On the back here, you've got a little hook as well, so you can hang this in your garage or in your shed, wherever you want to. So yeah, it comes with a ton of different heads. Like I said, all the different heads that you might need, from all ranging from tiny little sizes. It's like the smallest little ones in here. They've all got their labels on them as well in the case, so you can see which one you need. And yeah, this thing is awesome. I love the pink color too. It's just fun. Nice extra pop of color. So highly recommend it. Go check it out.